will be given equal chance to play. So, kaya dinagdag natin yun sa rules through our commissioner and our head of our COO, Coach Leo Isaac and Commissioner Roddy na napag-agrihan na sige, gawin natin mandatory substitution every 5 minutes of the first 2 quarters to be
Yes.
given a chance to play.
Maganda nga nung rule na yun, sir. Pag first half pa lang, nakalaro na lahat ng players. And right now, kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa ating continuing coverage for the Calibre 45, day number 3. As baseline inbound, good pass galing dito kay Marcelia, papunta kay Ramon Reyes. Weapons last game, yun nga lang. Talagang na-dominate sila from the inside. Let's see how they improve upon that this game. Diones dribbling against Marcelia. Swings it to the corner. Jumper is a miss para dito kay Yamut.
Ayan.
Marcelia, easy layup. And what a pickup para dito sa San Pedro Mamba. Itong si Ray Marcelia. Kinuha nila yan sa Rocky last season 1. Nanggaling yan sa Santa Rosa Saints nila Coach Dave Gomez. Ngayon lumipat sa San Pedro Mamba. Both 45 and 40 up, Sir Rocky. Doon siya naglalaro.
Last game, alam natin. Ayan, ang ating lakas fast break of the quarter.
Brought to you by Winzen's Cafe, our official cafe.
Sabi ko, Enzo, last game, I think kulang din yung lineup ng San Pedro, Mamba.
Yes. 10 nga lang, sir, sila last game eh.
Kaya nga, so may isa din pagbabago tayong ginawa dyan. I think the memo is out tungkol dyan sa ruling na yan na kailangan every game kompleto, 15. Ayun.
Marcelia na naman. Maganda ng rule na yun, sir, ng bago memo na nilabas. Na kailangan kompletong 15, di ba?
Oo, kung hindi, they will be, penalized.
Penalized. As you can see, the lakas play of the quarter brought to by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform. What a dive there and what a finish from Ray Marcelia.
So, ayan na, dahan-dahan ng, bumabalik ang San Pedro. Ayun, yung binago natin sa rules.
So, yung strength, power at confidence. Kaya hopefully maging maganda yung game nila hanggang dulo. Balik muna sa inyo, Enzo and Boss Rocky.
Thank you so much, MJ. Kita naman natin, enjoy na enjoy ngayon ang VPD kasi Boss Fidel Mendoza knocks down na 3 pero bumawi naman itong si Gadi.
Oo, ayaw nilang mabaon sila kaya ayun, swak na swak yung 3 points.
Yes, and yung nakikita ko dito sa Rocky, parang equal playing field yung lahat ng teams eh. Walang team ang may clear advantage, di ba? Sa lahat ng teams na pati yung mga hahabol na sinabi mo yung Malolos, Republic hahabol, and yung isa na hindi mo pa pinapangalanan.
Yeah. Yun nga, gaya ng sabi natin, you don't allow dito sa 45, walang expo.
Yes.
Oo nga eh. It's just, we're just so happy with, alam mo yun, natutuwa din yung mga players. Ayan, basket counts.
Say Gabriel with the basket and one right there. Gabriel is giving it to them. We can see this lakas move of the quarter brought to by Cable Link and Holdings Corporation. As you can watch ang mga Sinag Liga Asia Games of the Week sa Cable Link Channel 5.
Dyan sa Norte,
Yes.
Basketball Fanatics.
Pasimula tong Lyceum Sharks na maglalaro sa next week sa Junior World Showcase Delta Cup natin. Oh! Sayang yung layup na yun, but Rimado still retains possession. Rambo puts it up and in.
Rambo na Rambo.
Grabe. Tinanggal lang pala yung arm sleeve, no, sir? Biglang nakashoot ng ganun.
Talagang kalibre pa yung mga players dito sa kalibre 45.
Yeah. Yun talaga yung laro nila, di ba, Sir Rocky? Kahit sa lakas 40, yun. Takbuhan. Oo.
Yeah.
That's good pass to the middle, Marcelia. Oh!
Marcelia. What a nice shot.
Grabe naman yung layup na yun. Para kay Ray Marcelia. Quarter. With the Maderazo to Marcelia connection with the tipsy-do layup right there. That is... Puro sila takbuhan, di ba? Nakakasabay naman tong San Pedro pero the advantage talaga ng VPD was yung shooting.
So, ito yung sa kanila na lumamang ang VPD.
Totoo. 12 turn halves dito as we see the leading scores. Gigan leads all scorers with 12 points. 8 for Pañares. Mendoza with 6. Boss Vic Diaz with 4 for VPD Trading. Marcelia with 9. Jose with 8. Remando and Llamado both with 4.
Pampanga will be playing in 3 venues at the same time. I think this is the first time dito mangyayari.
Totoo. Very exciting. And also congratulations to Gov Delta and their entire coaching staff sa draft combine, Mythical 5 si Rocky, 4 galing Pampanga. Brandon Ramirez, Kurt the Hurt Rayson, Justin Baltazar, and Junel Policarpio. 4 sa Mythical 5 galing Pampanga, di ba?
Iba talaga, iba ang programa. Iba ang programa ng Pampanga, iba ang programa ng, of course, the help of the coaching staff.
Yes.
Sila Coach Pedic, Coach Jay Sierra,
Jay, Coach Pepet, sila Coach Totoy.
Coach Aisel. Ayan.
Oh. Oh. Out of bounds. Itong
Turnover.
Yes.
Dumikit
Kala may
na. It's
foul.
just a 1-point lead by VPD.
That's right. So, let's see. Dahil yung Mindanao tournaments natin just as good dito sa mga tournaments natin dito sa Luzon. Although wala silang 40-45, di ba? But marami nga doon, di ba? Naggusto.
Doon ka nagkakamali, Enzo. Ayan, dikit pa naman.
Oo.
Tabla ulit.
Of course.
They're very, very eager to launch their Lakas 40.
Yan.
At hindi lang yun, Enzo. Hindi lang yung Misamis Oriental. So, Misamis Oriental covers Cagayan de Oro.
Yes.
Okay.
Their lead dito, if they get a basket, it might be the dagger. Sauro gives it to Masongsong. 22 seconds na lang. They're playing 4-on-4.
Oh,
Oh, tied up. But yun nga lang, ball possession arrow points the way of VPD.